Hi! Hey, I'm going to read you a story. It's called Maka the Alpaca. Maka the Alpaca. This guy is called Maka. He is an alpaca. He loves splashing in puddles and gives the best cuddles. Maka's days were carefree, filled with giggles and glee. Until drama. This guy is called Harmer. He's no charmer. He's tall, strong, and woolly, but also a bully. Harmer was mean, quite the worst you have seen. He took Maka's stuff and played very rough. You puny pipsqueak, I'm strong and you're weak. Maka said, "No, you're wrong. I'm surprisingly strong." The pair made a bet, and a challenge was set. "I'll move this boulder." Harmer pushed with his shoulder. He huffed, puffed, and nudged, till it finally budged. When Maka's turn came, he just used his brain. Humph! Well, why don't you try to reach up this high? Easily done. I'm using this. Harmer let out a hiss. Now that llama was fuming, his nasty mind zooming. Okay, let's have a race. Try and keep pace. First to the top is the best. Full stop. They took off in a flash and began their mad dash up the steep mountainside, but then the rocks started to slide. Being nimble and light, Maka made it all right. As he leapt to the summit, he saw Harmer plummet. Some might call it karma, as that bully of a llama went crash, bang, and splat. And that, my friends, was that. Harmer said, plainly shaken, "Turns out I was mistaken. For you've proved it quite clearly. Size doesn't matter, really." Maka went up to the thug and gave him a great big, can you guess? Hug.